Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be tackling this space behind me. I am currently in my basement. I am going to clean the space. I think I've only done like one video of me cleaning our basement. I don't hang out here too much. My husband does. This is like his man cave almost. The kids play down here. Their playroom is down here, but I don't really use this space much. I'm usually upstairs in our living room or in the kitchen. So today I'm going to clean this space. It needs some cleaning and vacuuming for sure. We still have carpet down here. And I'm also going to clean the playroom and the bathroom. I think all of our bathrooms need some deep cleaning, so I'm gonna start with this one, and then in my next video I will show you guys how I deep clean our upstairs bathroom. So if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so you don't miss out on my future uploads, and hit that notification bell so you know each and every time that I upload. I usually upload on Fridays. I try to do twice a week. That didn't work out for me for now. I'm sure I will increase my uploads in the future, but for now I'm just doing once a week, and that's on Friday. And sometimes if I don't make it for Friday, I do upload it for Saturday. So stay tuned for all my videos on one of those 2 days. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So let's get cleaning.
You're thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble.
So here I am starting off with dusting off everything. I am not using my sock that I normally use to dust everything. I got a microfiber and it does the job just as good as the sock. So yeah, and I am also using Pledge in the lemon scent, and it smells so good.
Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth.
This TV unit also collects so much dust. I think it's because it's a darker color, but as you can see, it had not been dusted for a long time. My husband's PlayStation, you can see there the amount of dust that had built up.
Your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes.
I think the last time that I did a cleaning video for the basement, we still had the sectional there. I like the two-piece sofa so much better. I feel like it creates better room there for the basement. We are trying to move the TV from the one wall to put it above the fireplace, so that's why we went ahead and we purchased the two pieces. It just doesn't look right with the sectional being there and the TV being on the opposite wall. When we bought our sectional, it was meant for our old house and the way it was built. And when we moved here, we realized it just didn't sit right. These pillowcases that I'm switching off are actually from the dollar store. They were $4, very inexpensive, but doable. I feel like I don't want to purchase expensive things because my kiddos still play with the pillows and they throw them around, and I just can't see myself spending so much money on something like that.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much
the time just getting ready. Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you.
Here I'm going through the mail. My husband is the one who checks the mailbox, and he usually brings it and dumps it on his desk. I feel like I'm just gonna go ahead and get him something to keep the mail in. I'm just throwing him in the drawer. He's gonna go through everything anyway, so I just wanted to clean off his desk. It also had so much dust on it. I have a feeling he does not dust it, so I went ahead and I dusted it for him.
Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, no. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody to love.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. Believe in lovers like me and you, yeah. You just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, baby, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, 'cause I do. Deep down and in those eyes, think I have memorized, oh, every single flare inside your burning stare. Just wanna be inside, keep dancing in your mind. You'll be my nighttime Valentine. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do.
And the last thing that I'm doing here is just to vacuum the living area. I am wondering, how do you guys freshen up your carpets? How do you deodorize it just to keep it smelling good and fresh? Do you have any like recipe of a deodorizer that you have tried, you've made and tried, and you like it? If you do, can you leave me a comment down below? I would love to try it. So the next area I'm moving to is the bathroom downstairs, and the floors looked really dusty, so I went ahead and I moved the rugs, and I wanted to go ahead and start with the dusting with the Swiffer. It just had too much dust for me to walk around on, so I wanted to go ahead and remove that before I started to clean the shower and potentially spill water on the floor. I am using an all-purpose cleaner for pretty much everything. When I bought my cleaners at Walmart, I didn't realize that I bought some with bleach in them, and they are pretty strong.
Don't tell me that it's over. Never say that I can't relate.
As I'm editing this video, I am just thinking, what was I thinking? I did not lift the toilet seat. As you can see, I spilled some of the solution on top, but oh well, I ended up lifting it and I continued my cleaning. But next time, it's just so much better to lift the whole thing up.
I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the love that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it.
I had a subscriber one time ask me why I use so much paper towel. When it comes to the toilet, I do use it, and honestly, I just feel like it's something that I want to throw away after. I find the toilet so yucky. After cleaning it, I don't want to have to take a rug and wash it with other things. So I just prefer the paper towel. It cleans just as good, and I am able to just throw it out.
I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried.
Just like the paper towels, I do prefer to use the Swiffer, the wet jet, or these, I forget what these are called, but I have the wet jet as well. And I just like to throw them out as soon as I use them in the bathroom. I leave my spin mop for the rest of the house, and I don't want to use it in the bathroom and then go use it in the kitchen as well, so I just don't like to mix those two. Now we have moved on to the playroom. As you can see, I have a little helper. Logan is always behind me undoing everything I'm doing, but he does like to help me, so I enjoy cleaning with him. I was doing the rest of the house while he was sleeping, so by the time I did the playroom, we had picked up Ethan from school as well, so this is a bit later in the day, and the kids are having fun watching me clean for them. Only
I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean. Yeah, in the empty body lies all the answers.
So again, the last thing I did was to vacuum the room. It's a little big for me to sweep, so the vacuum actually did a really good job. Last time I cleaned it, I was sweeping it and it took me forever, but the vacuum was amazing. And then the last thing I did was to mop it as well. It wasn't too dirty. The kids barely play in here, so not too much traffic goes around here. So I'm gonna leave it here, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some cleaning motivation out of it. And if you're new and you have not subscribed yet, I would love to have you join my little family here on YouTube. Thank you so much for always watching and supporting me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.